Hey everyone, you're watching Y2V's Food and Fitness Friday. I'm Shar and I'm a certified personal trainer, fitness nutrition specialist, and starting July 1st, we're doing a 5-minute a day, 30-day challenge. Are you in? So like I said, we're doing a 30-day challenge and we just want people to do 5 minutes a day. Sign up below, send us a comment, or you can send us an email to ayeartovolunteer@gmail.com. I'm going to list all these exercises below. Every day is going to be a focus on a different body part. But because I live in an RV and I know a lot of other people that live in an RV or another similar type small space, I want to show you how easy it is to do these exercises even in your tiny space, whether it be your RV living room or your dorm room or anywhere in between. I want you to get up and start moving. So let's get to it. All right, day number 1, your focus is going to be on the arms. So you're gonna grab a can of soup or some beans or whatever you have. Make sure you have the same size in both hands, and you're gonna do 1 minute of bicep curls. After 1 minute, you're gonna switch to tricep extensions. You want to keep your elbows in towards your ears and as straight up and down as you can get them. After 1 minute of this, you're going to go to shoulder presses. Again, you're going to do this for 1 minute. After that, you're going to go to left circles, 1 minute, and then right circles for 1 minute. I know you think that sounds super easy, but after 5 minutes, your arms are going to be burning and you're going to know you've gotten a workout. Okay, for day 2, we're going to focus on legs. We've already talked about squats and lunges. If you didn't catch that video, here's the link below. Click on that so you can be up to speed. But otherwise, let's go ahead and show you a few alternatives. Leg lifts. Forward on both sides. Do a minute of each one. Move to the side, the other side, and then go to the back. Again, you're going to do 1 minute on each leg. You can also do side lunges to the side, to the other side. Do those for a minute. Side to side. You can also do sumo squats. Toes and knees are faced outward. Do a squat. This works all kinds of muscles and really focuses on those inner thighs. You can do squat jacks, where you're kind of like doing a jumping jack, or you can do an easier version. Step aside, to side, to side, to side. You can do squats with a leg lift, squat, lift, squat, lift, squat, lift. Do any of these for 1 minute each, and I promise your legs are going to get a good workout. All right, day 3, we're going to focus on chest and back. Push-ups are a great exercise. If you're a beginner, watch that video that we did before, and that's going to show you some alternative options like doing them from a counter, from your knees, from a wall, or from a bench. Here's another option if push-ups are just not your thing. You can do what I call can presses. Try doing 5 minutes of those and you'll be tired. Okay, for your back, there's a few different options. One is the reverse push-up. Just hold your elbows tight up against your side and push yourself up. Just go up on your elbows. Do that for a minute. We'll see how tired you are. Okay, there's also Superman. Raise your arms and your legs. You can also do T raises. Y raises, W raises, and prone cobras. All of these are super great for your back. What if getting on the floor is too hard? Well, there's something called a bent over T-raise. Just push up, squeeze at the top. And that's back day. Okay, day 4, you're gonna focus on your tush. So here are a few exercises again. Most of them are going to be down on the ground. Glute bridge. Make a bridge with your butt. You can also do glute bridge march. You can do single leg glute bridge. And you can also do hip lifts. These are great for your abs as well. Okay, if you're worried about getting on the floor and not being able to get back up, here are a couple of standing options. First is the curtsy lunge. And a single leg RDL. Do any of those for 1 minute each, your butt's gonna get a good workout. Okay, day 5 is gonna be focused on abs, sit-ups, crunches, all those good things. So, if you can do a full sit-up, do a full sit-up. All right, if crunches is more your style, do a crunch. You can also do reverse crunch. Ab pulses, or ab pulse ups. Russian twists, feet come off of the ground and you twist from side to side. Ab bicycles. Flutter kicks. And one more I forgot. The dead bug. Anyone? Just for a minute. Day 6 is cardio. So get out there and walk, even if it's just for 5 minutes. You can also do something called high knees. And if you're really advanced, you can jump while doing it. Okay, you can do jumping jacks. And if those are too tough, you can modify. That's just as good, especially if you're new. You can do power skips, speed skaters, and side shuffles. All of those are going to get your heart rate up, just like mine just did. Whew. All right, everybody, what do you say? Are you going to join our July challenge? You've got 6 days of exercises. All you have to do is pick a few from each group for each day. Do them for 5 minutes. Each week, start repeating that system and start doing slightly harder exercises each and every week. And let's just see how much better you look and feel after 30 days. Come on, small space RVers, let's get moving. As always, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends. See you next week.